Everything RF, latest radio frequency identification news, July 2024. HF Communication Technologies and KMCO partner to develop RF adapters that operate up to 145 GHz. ASCO Components introduces flexible cables with vertical end launch connectors from Southwest Microwave. SV Microwave introduces new line of Vita 67.3 installation and removal tools. Conduct RF showcases MIL STDD 38999 and Vita 67 cable assemblies at IMS 2024. PayGenesis named an authorized distributor for micro-mode products, an ET brand. Pasternak announces new 45-degree angle adapters for in-series connections. Amphenol RF introduces Gen 2 waterproof bulkhead FACRA connectors for outdoor applications. Signal Microwave introduces new solderless top launch connector that operates up to 50 GHz. Flexible, high-precision cables assemblies for high-density and modular test applications up to 110 GHz. Samtec introduces low-profile, gauged multi-port connectors from DC to 65 GHz for 5G 6G applications. Mini Circuits offers precision VNA cables from 40 to 67 GHz. Amphenol to acquire Carlisle Interconnect Technologies for $2.025 billion. Everything RF, keeping you up to date with the RF microwave industry.